I'm Wayne Cohinda with William Ravis Real Estate. It is Monday, March 21st, and I'm here with the numbers for the week. What I'm going to talk about today is a question I've been getting hit with a lot lately. People worrying about a housing bubble still persisting. You can see where the consumers, 77% think there's a housing bubble that we're in, and 44% of agents think there's a housing bubble. These stats are from Realtor.com. Let's take a look at some of the numbers surrounding this. First, we're going to look at the inventory of homes. The inventory is nothing like it was back in 07, 08. You can see when we had that housing crash, there were 9 months of inventory. It dropped down to 8 months worth of inventory at that period of time when the business was crazy and prices were skyrocketed. You can see the last 4 years that we've got here in 2018 right through 2021. It's a whole different story with inventory. 3 months, 3.7 is the high point. We're down below 2 months for the last 2 years, and it's even lower now. It's a supply and demand issue right now. Back when the market crashed, they were giving money away to any warm body that existed. That's not so true today. Take a look at the home sales right now. They've hit a record, a 15-year high right here, 6 million units this past year. It's going strong. And there's nothing like the last time with the loans either. You can see in the orange there were the billions of dollars that were given to people with credit scores less than 620. That hasn't happened since the market tanked in 08. The rules have all changed. People have to have good credit. They have to have documented jobs and documented assets these days. So it's not a high risk situation like it was back when they were giving money away to anybody. And you can take a look at the historical mortgage rates right now. They're at all-time lows. They've hovered below 3%. Now they're a little above 4%, but they're still at all-time traditional lows. And the price appreciation you can see over the last 12 months through January, the stats nationwide are not available yet for February, but the price appreciation has been accelerating continuously through the year. I believe it's probably come close to a peak. I don't expect it to get any higher than this. I would expect it maybe even to drop off a little bit this coming year. Take a look at what's been predicted by Fannie Mae for home price growth. They look at it in 2022 to be about 11%, still staying double digit. And in next year, 2023, maybe dropping down to 4%. Again, supply and demand is going to dictate what's going on there. And this is Zillow. Zillow's prediction here for home price growth. They expect it to peak a little bit here, probably by early spring, early summer. I should say late spring, early summer, and then drop off a little bit as we get towards the cooler months. So it's anybody's guess, but there is no housing bubble at this point in time. Inventory is low. The loans being given are secured loans with good assets, good income, good jobs, and it's a supply-demand issue. And unless we create a lot more inventory in the marketplace, there's no expectation for anything to really tank in the next couple of years. And again, these are several forecasts for 2022 pricing. They range from 10% down to about 3%. That's not a tanking of the market. And if you have any questions about your own specific real estate needs or requirements, or just want some local information, feel free to reach out. Until then, enjoy the spring weather we're having and have a great week.